What's up, everyone? I am headed out to a pretty big HOA project that I got asked to put a bid in on. It's going to be stone wall, some mold removal, fence pressure washing and staining, and then also fire lane striping. So, pretty wide variety, pretty broad quote. So I've got to price it right to be able to win it. I think I'll probably do the three separate jobs separate on the estimates, just so they're not hit all at once because it's going to be a multi-$1,000 project. So we're headed out there right now. Hopefully I get some video of the subdivision and then follow up later on some of the pricing that we're doing. But to give you some rough numbers, it's about 1,600 feet of fencing, single sided, and then 1,100 feet of stone wall, both about 6 feet high. So we will be out there shortly. Thanks.